In this demonstration, we will clone a rule and apply it to devices. Go to Configuration, Monitoring, then Rules. Each row contains the name of the rule, access rights, owner, and ability to clone the rule. In this example, we will clone an existing rule. Select if the rule will be public or private. Name the rule, and enter a short description. The description is an important reference for the future, when users need to know the purpose of each rule. The Devices to Target tab appears first. The list of filters identifies the group or groups of filtered devices to which the rule will be deployed. Ineligible filters are sorted out because they create an infinite loop in the system. Add or remove a filter by selecting it and then clicking the arrow button. Click Show Devices on the right of the screen to verify which devices are included in the selected filters. Open the Network Device Configuration Options tab to enable license mode, previously mapped scheduled tasks, and remote options. In this example, we will enable professional mode, scheduled tasks, and direct support. Features can also be designated for installation on this tab. Add mobile device configuration options and scheduled task profiles, if previously created, using the respective tabs. Select the Monitoring Options tab and review notification profiles triggers. Click the arrow to add or delete which notification profile triggers will apply to the rule. Scroll down to Service Templates. If using a default rule, review the selected service template. If creating a new rule, scroll through the Service Template box and select which template or templates to include in the new rule. In both situations, remember that service templates are device class specific. In this example, the rule will apply only to laptops, and the service template is also aligned with laptops. Open the Maintenance Windows tab. Click Add and select a maintenance window for the rule. In this example, we will not include a maintenance window. Select the Grant Customers and Sites Access tab. The rule can be configured to automatically propagate to all new customers and sites, or can be limited to the checked options. Review the choices, add or eliminate access, and click Save. The rule is immediately applied to the filtered devices that meet the configuration criteria.